In this video, you'll learn how to use Apple Pay on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to make purchases quickly and securely using your Apple device. Begin by ensuring that your device supports Apple Pay and that is already set up on your Apple device. Open the Wallet app to verify that Apple Pay is linked to a valid credit or debit card. After confirming this, access eBay through a supported browser or the mobile app on your Apple device. While browsing listings, check that the seller accepts standard eBay managed payments. Properly configuring Apple Pay is essential for a seamless checkout experience. When you find an item you wish to purchase, add it to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. On this page, eBay will display the available payment methods. If your device supports Apple Pay, it will appear as one of the payment options. Select Apple Pay and take a moment to review the payment information that appears on your screen. Make sure that both the shipping address and payment details are accurate before moving forward. This step is crucial to avoid any order-related issues later on. After selecting Apple Pay, you will need to confirm your payment. Depending on your device, you can use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your device passcode for verification. Once you've completed this step, the transaction will be processed securely through Apple Pay. Following this, eBay will confirm your purchase and provide an order summary on the screen. It is important to keep track of this information for future reference. You will also receive a confirmation email containing the details of your purchase. This email serves as your receipt, which you can use for tracking your order. Ensure that you save this information as it is helpful for any inquiries regarding the order. The item will then be shipped according to the seller's specified delivery schedule, allowing you to anticipate its arrival. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one to watch.